So we are back with a Grand Connaught Rooms video. Obviously this is one of our favourite venues in London, and we didn't actually get the footage of the pre-setup, and if you do want to see the footage of how the venue looks before any decor is added, be sure to check out any of our other videos that showcase this. But this is an all-white blossom spring but in summer wedding feel. The bride wanted blossom, she wanted glamour, she wanted clean, she wanted white, and that's what we've done here, with a mixture of centerpieces for only 300 guests. And because the venue does take up to 500, it meant that we were able to play around with things and the layout of the room, and it gave us a bit more space to do more inside. So the venue does work for less number of guests. I know this year we've got quite a few weddings that are having maybe 200 people, 150 people in the ballroom, and it does work just as well as it works for numbers like 500 guests. Anyway, back to this wedding. So again, she's gone for the blossom theme. We've got the chandelier backdrop, which we customized with a central section of the blush pink, and that is the only place where there is color in the room. The chairs are Chivari and they are white. The napkins are also blush pink, to be fair. And then as you can see, the cake here, we created a blossom cake base, and the cake has hints of the blush pink in the roses, but everything else was white. She had a custom DJ booth with their print and logo on, and obviously this was the band stage, which we carpeted and covered, and the composers were going to be performing. And now we have the big reveal. This is the bride's reaction as she comes in, and she's obviously very happy, the bride and the groom I should say, and they come into the room. We recommend coming into the room prior to your guests because you get to see the room in its full glory. And here you can see all the centerpieces. So she had the blossom arrangement, she had some crystal candelabras, and she had her statement pieces which we created in-house, and it's what we call our floating orchid centerpiece, which can come in gold, silver, white, pink, whichever color you require. Well, lots of words, but the couple are now on the white seamless dance floor, which we provided with the logo. This can come in many different colors also, but one thing to note with Grand Connaught Rooms, they do have the fantastic lighting in there, but we did add our own lights to make it a lot more dramatic. If you have any questions, please let us know. Write something in the comments, send us an email, or visit the website designerchaircoverstogo.com for all of our products that we do and services that we provide. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching as always. See you at the next video.